How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two hair loss treatment products being Hims and Numan. So we'll be going over the key differences between the two, their pros and cons, and what exactly set them apart from each other. And at the end of the video, we'll be ultimately deciding which of the two options is the better option for you. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you guys are male and are reaching a certain age where you notice that you're losing hair, or simply from genetics, or male pattern baldness, or hair loss, or receding hairline, then you guys have come to the right place. So, as doctors would say, prevention is better than the cure. And what better way to do that than with topical hair loss solutions? So, honestly, the best thing to do when you guys start seeing signs of hair loss is to position yourself to act fast, as if you don't act soon enough, it may be too late. So we'll be comparing Numan and Hims. So we'll be going over the hair loss formulas that these two platforms or companies use. Starting with Numan, it says here that they use oral finasteride, a topical spray that is 6% minoxidil and 5% I should say Regain, that's 5% minoxidil. So there's that. Whereas Hims uses a larger variety of chemicals to treat hair loss. Those chemicals being oral finasteride, topical finasteride, minoxidil spray or serum, and minoxidil serum. So if you ask me, both of them use a hefty amount of chemicals, so having a sensitive skin may be an issue for you if you were to use this product, or these products rather. Now, there's some other side effects, or I wouldn't really call them side effects. It reads here that there are conditions treated beyond hair loss. So you guys may actually benefit from some of the effects that you get when you take these solutions. So if you guys want to look like a lumberjack Viking, then Numan will give you beard growth. So simply applying it on top of your head will actually get you beard growth, apparently it seems. Blood testing supplements, erectile dysfunction. So it says here that it will treat your ED, premature ejaculation, smoking, asthma acid, and reflux. Whereas Hims only treats ED and premature ejaculation. So in this, I would have to give the edge to Numan in terms of positive side effects. Now, moving on to the customer testimonials and the statistics and the pricing. If you guys check here, you'll see that they're around the same price. Only when we're talking about strictly finasteride and minoxidil, you can see here that Numan will set you back 38 pounds a month with the finasteride and minoxidil mix. Whereas if you were just to go with finasteride, then it would give you they would charge you 29 pounds per month. Minoxidil 32 and Regain 80. Whereas Hims starts at 39 for the full month for the full works plan that includes finasteride tablets, the minoxidil shampoo, and a biotin tablets. So if you ask me, you get your bang for buck without a question with Hims, as you get the full package, whereas here you only get one solution for each package. So in terms of hair loss meds and variety, as well as the volume, I would have to give it to Hims. As for the price, they're around the same price if you're looking for just finasteride. However, if you guys were looking to get Regain, then obviously that's going to cost a bit more. So I would have to give it to Hims. Now, based on customer testimonials and reports, I've heard more positive reviews from Hims. So at the end of the day, I'm going to give the edge to Hims. So there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.